going on, adventurers? Welcome to Disney's Polynesian Village Resort. We just arrived and we are going to give you a quick room tour and show you around a little bit. It is paradise, guys. So if you head in from your balcony, just want to show you what it looks like that way because, you know, everybody else comes in the front door. You know, we like to do things a little bit differently and mix it up. So here is your main living area. This is a sofa bed. Some beautiful tropical parrot pictures there hanging on the wall. There is a queen size bed. Over here is a little table and chairs. Is that the coolest lamp ever? Really love that. I wish they sold those here because I'd probably get one. Now moving on to the entertainment center. There's a big screen TV there, and then your ice bucket, and those are our resort refillable mugs. And below that, this is a pull-out bed. I'm going to show you guys. This is a twin size. They're really easy to do. You just grab it here. They have two handles. Pull. And check it out. I love this picture inside of the pull-out bed there. So, so cute. Then, of course, below the TV, you have your in-room dining and times guides, as well as a little bit of information about Disney Springs. So you actually have two shower rooms / bathrooms, but only one toilet room. So this is our favorite. This is the walk-in shower, the newer of the two. With the rain shower. I love the tile work in here. It's just so, so beautiful. And then they have the stone on the floor there. Very, very nice. And the seating, which definitely helps. A little area there for your shampoos and body wash and conditioner. So here we have the mirror, which is nice because it's well lit. Also have your magnification mirror right here, which is also lit. And then your sink, your shampoo and body wash. That's all H2o Spa, of course. The good stuff. Hope you guys are enjoying the room tour. Then directly across from the bathroom you have your mini kitchen, which has the microwave, of course, coffee maker, toaster, and a little sink there, refrigerator. Of course, this is the closet. You have an ironing board, an iron, some extra pillows, a laundry basket, because if you are a DVC member, laundry is included. So it doesn't cost anything to run the machines. You do just have to pay for your detergent. Pack and play crib. Of course, you have the safe and the coat hangers. This is actually the full bathroom with the toilet. Has the nicely lit mirror again as well. Your H2o Spa Products over here. Let's see what we have here. We have revitalizing shampoo, revitalizing conditioner, sea salt body wash and body lotion, as well as the facial soap. I love these little mermaids in the painting. They're so cute. Here's another shower, which has nice tile work as well. But this one is a tub shower, so you can give your little ones a bath. I do like the curtains too. That's very tropical feeling. And then here's your toilet area. Some extra toilet paper as well. A couple of towel hooks there for you. So this is a room 1028. Just tap your magic band until it lights up green. And there's your room. These are what the buildings look like. They're called longhouses. Very nice. This is Toki Lau. We've stayed in this one before. This is actually also a Disney Vacation Club building. I love the architecture here. It's pretty awesome. We are going in. We've been granted access. So we are currently at the Quiet Pool Bar. Getting ready to place our order in a couple minutes. Alright guys, so they actually do have a full bar here. We went with the pina colada because I kind of got hooked on the pina coladas here at the Polynesian. Cheers! Cheers! So these are the beautiful bungalows that they recently constructed. Probably what, a couple years ago, maybe 3 years ago. And they look so, so nice. Just wanted to show you. You have to have a magic band that's tied to a bungalow reservation in order to enter the gates there. They do look quite nice though. At some point we're going to try to reserve one. One of the cool features about the bungalows is they do have a little plunge pool in the back. It's kind of like a hot tub, but I don't believe it's super heated. So I imagine it'd be really nice to be in either one of the porch swings or chilling in your plunge pool when the fireworks are happening. Up ahead is our building. That's Maria. And the cool thing that we really do appreciate about that is it's literally right next to the path to the Ticket and Transportation Center. Which is very convenient because then we can just hop on the ferry boat with our scooters. And like I said before, we feel like the ferry boat is definitely the most convenient way to go to the Magic Kingdom from the Polynesian. If you are in an ECV or wheelchair, you can take the monorail and you can take a bus, but as far as convenience and accessibility and just like ease of getting from one place to the other, it's definitely the way to go. Here comes one of the boats. We'll see if we can catch her pulling into the dock. Our building is right there, and the boat is getting ready to pull up right over here. So this is actually the end of our building. This is Maria. There's the ferry boat. And there's actually a walkway we're going to show you real quick before heading back to our room. You can actually come out right here. There's, I believe, 3 entrances to the building. There's one of them. You can come out there if you want to. I love how beautiful these paths are too with the foliage. Right there is the front entrance to our building. So we normally come right out of there because it's an automatic door. And we take this walkway right down to the Ticket and Transportation Center. And you do have to go through security. I don't know how it's working with the buses. We haven't experienced the buses since they've changed the security protocol. But I will say that the monorail, they really do expedite your security process to get you on board and, you know, through security when you're staying at a monorail resort. So that is very efficient. Pretty much if you go into security after going through the walkway, you go into the general security line like you came from the parking lot and drove to the Ticket and Transportation Center. So that's just something to keep in mind. But like we said, when you take everything into consideration, I still feel like taking the ferry boat is the most convenient way if you are in a ECV or wheelchair. Welcome to Ohana. We've actually dined in Ohana and brought you with us previously, but tonight we are going to be having dinner. So, are you ready for it?
I am ready.
Me too. I'm really hungry. It's 9 o'clock. I'm pretty sure tonight it's the last seating for dinner. So, we're going to go on in and we are going to share our experience with you. Alright guys, so we just got seated at our table here in Ohana, and we just placed an order. Lisa actually has some sensitivities to different seasonings, so the chef came out and was very glad to accommodate her. I'm actually going to have the same thing as her, so that she doesn't feel left out. But I am going to try the appetizers. I believe it's chicken wings, and those are marinated and seasoned as well. I'm going to go ahead and try them the way they are. They brought us some delicious bread out, and we did order some alcoholic beverages this evening. I got a traditional pina colada. It's kind of a pina colada kind of day. And Lise got, what was it called?
The raspberry pina colada. It doesn't have another name. I have to ask.
Okay. But at any rate, it has raspberries in it. And it looked quite delicious. So we are going to show you things as they come out. We did get a nice window seat, but due to the humidity outside, there's condensation on the windows, so you guys can't really see out. Alright guys, so this is the salad, and I believe you said it had a honey lime vinaigrette, which sounds very refreshing. We're going to go ahead and enjoy our salad and let you know how it is. The bread, by the way, is a coconut bread with regular butter, and it's delicious, as you can see. Here are our pina coladas. There's mine. Let me see yours.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Aloha.
Aloha. The salad is excellent, you guys. It kind of resembles a kale, but it's a lot more tender than a kale, so I'm not sure.
Okay then, buy me.
I see trees of green and red roses too. I want some blue to be at you, and I think myself, wonderful world. I see skies of blue and clouds of white.
So they just brought us out a delicious skillet, which has pot stickers, chicken wings, some lo mein noodles, and some vegetables. Already got a plate full. I've tried the pot stickers so far, and it's really good. What have you tried?
Hot stickers.
That's the first thing you tried?
Yeah, they're good.
They are really good. You tried anything else yet?
The broccoli's good. Vegetable.
Awesome.
The chicken wing, yeah.
All right. And we'll keep you guys posted, but so far so good. Enjoying it thoroughly. So here is the beef that the chef was so nice to accommodate us with. It just has simple salt and pepper on it, no other seasonings, no other sauces. The usual beef is marinated as well as the chicken. Here is the chicken, and that is plain as well, and everything looks so delicious. Cannot wait to try it. You look pretty happy. Let me see you. Okay guys, so Lise does have a shellfish allergy, unfortunately. Quite recent actually. But they did go ahead and bring me out some shrimp, and look at the size of that platter. I'm already getting full. Like, this food is so good, but so filling because of eating so much of it. Everything is delicious though. I have no complaints about anything. How about you?
Wow. Very good.
Yeah, everything's excellent.
And it kind of all goes together as well, like to mix and match kind of each skill set, I think.
Yeah, it just, everything complements each other.
Complements each other, right.
So they even brought us a nice steaming hot towel to wipe our fingers from all the stickiness. Ooh, it's hot. Oh my gosh, look at that steam. Ooh, that's hot. I feel like I'm getting a facial at the same time.
Still going.
Oh, that's hot. My hands feel very, very clean. Of course, the best part, the banana bread pudding is getting ready to come out. I did tell him that we were only a little bit hungry for dessert, only because we're so stuffed already. So, I have to say guys, the pina colada, this was the best pina colada I think I've ever had in my life.
Me too.
Really? Keep that in mind if you're a pina colada fan.
Did it right here. Whatever they did was perfect.
Yeah, it was great. I had one at the Grand earlier and it was not as good.
I tasted that.
They definitely don't skimp on the alcohol here either. So we will show you when the banana bread pudding comes out, and then we will be on our way for the evening because I'm pretty tired. It's been a long day, guys. We had to transfer from Bay Lake Tower today to the Poly, and imagine my surprise when we were able to get an Ohana reservation for tonight, the day of. I was super stoked. Here it is, guys. The piece de resistance. I think he said pineapple bread pudding with the banana sauce. Lisa's gonna do us the honor. Oh, that's what I'm talking about right there. Looks so good. Yes. Let's see.
What does that taste like? It's like that butterscotch.
Butterscotch. It's probably like a banana butterscotch.
I don't really taste like that. It do taste like a butterscotch.
All right, guys, so we thoroughly enjoyed our dinner at Ohana. It's been way too long since we've had dinner here, and I have a feeling it won't be too long till we're back.
Oh, it's delicious.
It really
Feel
was.
good.
And my compliments to the chef for accommodating our allergies, sensitivities. If you have any dietary concerns regarding allergies, just be sure that you aren't afraid to speak up, because they're so happy to accommodate you. They want you to enjoy your meal here at Disney. We hope you had a great time exploring Disney's Polynesian Village Resort with us. Aloha!